utensils using a dishwasher. For this procedure, you will need the following materials. Wear proper personal protective equipment. Put on your hair tie, hairnet, face mask, and apron. Read the manufacturer's manual and make sure you are familiar with the parts and features of the dishwasher you are using. Check the dishwasher for any damage before plugging it into the proper socket. Wear your gloves. Remove food residues from the plate using a scraper. Rinse the dishes to remove stock food residues and stains. Stock them carefully and set them aside. Open the dishwasher and gently pull out the rock. Commonly, a dishwasher has a designated compartments for the different kitchen utensils. Place the kitchen utensils on the rock. Place glasses, pots, and pans face down. Position the tableware properly to avoid break and damage. Always keep an upright posture when doing this to avoid potential back pain. Do not overload the rock. Provide enough space so that the water can wash through all the dishes. Put the detergent into its proper compartment and close the compartment properly. Turn the power on and select the appropriate setting. When set, let it run. Once done, carefully remove the kitchen utensils and check if they were washed thoroughly. If not, place them back in the washer for another wash cycle. Once the tablewares are cleaned, wipe them dry using a clean towel. Keep them in their proper storage.